Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is Moonbags. Today, they are giving us a question under permutation. But before I move on, I'd like to beg you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and like it and comment. So let us move to the question given to us. Solution to the question given to us. Question 1. In how many ways can 5 textbooks be arranged in a shelf taking 2 at the same time? This question 1 came from the arrangement of n object taking r objects at the same time, but it will need to apply the formula to it. We say n permutation r equal to n factorial divided by n minus r all in bracket factorial. This is the formula for arrangement of n object taking r at the same time. But how do we determine our n and our r? It is very simple in the question to determine our n and r. In how many ways can 5 textbooks be arranged? That means number of textbooks is what? 5. Which is what? N equal to 5 taking r objects at the same time, which is what? Arranged in a shelf taking 2 at the same time. That means our r object equal to what? 2. We can now substitute into the formula so we can evaluate it. 5 permutation r equal to n. Our n is what? 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r all in bracket factorial equal to what? 5 factorial equal to divided by what? 5 is 2. 5 minus 2 is what? 3 factorial equal to what? 5 I can evaluate my 5 factorial like this. 5 factorial equal to what? 5 times 4 times 3 times 3 factorial divided by what? 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel 3 factorial remain what? 4 times 5 equal to 20 ways. That means we can use 20 ways to arrange the 5 textbooks in a shelf. That is the answer for question 1. Question 2. In how many ways can 6 students be arranged in a row? Firstly, to solve this, number of arrangements equal to 6 factorial, because we are looking for how many ways can 6 students be arranged in a row. But 6 factorial equal to what? 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which to be equal to what? 720 ways. That means we can use 720 ways to arrange 6 students in a row. Question 3. In how many ways can the word banana be arranged when it's come to the arranging of word? For example, if they say that A, B, in how many ways can we arrange B? In how many ways can we arrange A and B? Which to be what? A. We can also arrange A and B to be equal to what? A, B. Which is what? We can use 2 ways to arrange A, B. Which is what? A, B, B, A. That is just it. But here, they are giving us banana. In how many ways can we arrange the word of banana? But we need to apply the formula. We say arrangement equal to n factorial divided by r1 factorial, r2 factorial, r3 factorial, r4 factorial. It depends on the number of letters in that word. So it goes on like that. But how do we determine our n and how do we determine our r? For the number of the letter in banana equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 6. So that means our n equal to 6. comma our R1. The number of banana is 6. Our n equal to 6. Our R1 from the word again, word of banana. From the first alphabet is what? B. B appear how many times? 1 times, which is what our R1 equal to 1, comma R2. The next alphabet is A. A appear how many times? 3 times. That means our R2 equal to 3, R2 equal to 3, R3 equal to what? The next alphabet is what? N. N appear how many times in the word of banana? 2 times. The next alphabet, there is not any alphabet again. So we cannot substitute into the formula. Arrangement now equal to what? 6 factorial divided by R1. Our R1 is what? 1 factorial. R2 is what? 3 factorial. R2 is 3 factorial. R3 is what? 2 factorial. How to be equal to what? 6 factorial equal to what? 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by what? 1 factorial equal to what? 1 times 1, which is what? 1 times 3 factorial times 2 factorial equal to what? 2 times 1 equal to what? 2. So now 3 factorial cancel 3 factorial. Remain what? 6 times 5 times 4 divided by what? 1 times 2. 1 times 2 to be equal to what? 6 times 5 times 4. 6 times 5, 30. 30 times 4 will be giving us what? 120 divided by what? 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 120 divided by 2 will be giving us what? 60 ways. That is, we can use 60 ways to arrange the word of banana. So, example 4. In how many ways can the letter of the word nation be arranged? We are using the same method we used in example 3. So, you can solve the example 4 by yourself by using the same method we used in example 3. So, this is the end of my lesson. Don't forget to subscribe or to follow this page, share the video and like it. Let me know the answer in the comment section.